Sai Ram class, how are you all? I hope that you all are very fine. So, class, as we were in our chapter number 12, algebraic expression, and we had already done 12.3 exercise till question number 7. Now, today we will start from question number 8. In this exercise, we are learning how to find the value of an expression. So, let's see the exercise 12.3 from question number 8. So the first part is we have given z equals to 10 and we have to find the value of this given equation. Now to find out the value of given equation, we have to put the value of given variable in place of it in this equation. So here our variable is z and its value is given as 10. So we have to put 10 in place of z. So first we have to simplify the expression. So this is our expression that z having power 3 minus 3 within bracket z minus 10. So first we have to simplify the equation. So z power 3 minus 3 multiply with z will become 3z and minus 3 multiply with minus 10 will become positive 30. Now we have to substitute the value of z in place of z in the equation. So z, here we have z, so here we have to put 10. So 10 power 3 minus 3 into z, that means 3 into 10 plus 30. So 10 power 3 equals to 1000 minus 3 into 10 means 30, positive 30. So negative 30, positive 30 will cancel out and our answer is 1000. Similarly, we have to do for second part. In this, variable is p and its value is given as minus 10. So we have to put minus 10 in place of p in this equation. So let's see how we have to solve it. So our equation is p having power 2 minus 2p, that is 2 is multiplying with p, and minus 100. So we have to put minus 10 in place of p. So minus 10 having power 2 equals to 100, as we know that even power in minus, so answer will be positive, and odd power in minus, answer will be negative. Now minus 10 and 2, multiplication of minus 10 and 2 is minus 20. So outside of this we have negative and inside the answer is minus 20. So it will become positive 20. Now minus 100. Now 100 and minus 100 will cancel out and our answer is 20. So class, you have seen how we have to solve it. Now let's move on to next question, that is question number 9. What should be the value of a? Now here we have to find the value of variable. If the value of expression, that is this, is given as 5, that means, and also we have given that x having value 0. So our expression is 2x power 2 plus x minus a having value equals to 5. That is this expression having value equals to 5. Now we have also given that x having value 0. So we have to place 0 in place of x. So you can see here we have x, that is 2x square plus x minus a equals to 5. Now here we have to find the value of a. So what we will do, we will take all the other thing to the one side of equal and a to the other side. So it will become 2x square plus x minus 5 equals to a. Now in this equation we have to put the value of x equals to 0. So when we put x having value equals to 0, so it will become 2x square plus x minus 5. Now place 0 in place of x, so it will become like this. Now it will become 0, 0 and minus 5. So our answer is minus 5. That is value of a is minus 5. Question number 10 is simplify the equation and find its value when value of a is equals to 5 and b is equals to minus 3. So first we have to simplify the equation. So this is our equation, that is 2, and within bracket we have a square plus ab bracket close plus 3 minus ab. Okay, now first we have to simplify the equation. So we have to multiply 2 with a square, so it will become 2a square plus 2 into ab, it will become 2ab plus 3 minus ab. Then 2a square, we have these like terms, so we can solve them. That is positive 2ab minus ab, so it will become positive ab. That is 2 minus 1 will become 1 plus 3. Now in this equation we have to put the value of a and b, which is given as a equals to 5 and b equals to minus 3. Let's see what will be our answer. So you can see this is our equation and we have to put a equals to 5 and b equals to minus 3. So our answer will be 2a square, which is 2 into 5 square plus 5 into minus 3 plus 3. So 2 into 5 into 5 will become 25 minus 15 plus 3. So 2 into 25 will become 50 minus 15 plus 3. 50 and 3 will become 53 minus 15. So it will become 38. So 38 is the value of given expression where we have given a equals to 5 and b equals to minus 3. So class, the last 3 question of exercise 12.3 is also same as we did the other parts of this exercise. Means we just have to put the value of given variable in the expression and we will get the value of expression. Now let's move on to the last part of this chapter, that is how we can use algebraic expression to formulate or to make a rule for making a algebraic expression. So this is the first part of exercise 12.4. We will only discuss about this question and understand how we can use algebraic expression. Okay, so we do not have to solve this question in our notebook. We just have to learn how we can use algebraic expression to make formula and rules. Okay, so you can see, just look at this picture. This is 6. How many sticks we are using to make this 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Means 6 stick to make 1 6. But if you see on to the another pattern in which we have 2 6s joined together with a single stick. You can see this stick is common in both of them. So just leave this one and count the others. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 for this 6. Similarly 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 for this 6. Means we have only 5 for a particular 6 and this additional one stick is common in both of them. So we can write, if we have to make 2 6s together, that is 2 6s together. So we have to place how many stick? 5 for each of them and one additional which is common in both of them. So it will become 10 plus 1, that is 11. So yes, 11 are sticks we are using to make 2 pattern of 6s. Now let's see for the 3. So you can see this is common and this is common. Okay, so just count the others. Okay, now do from starting. We all know that this is common in both of them. So count the others. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. For this one, similarly 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 for this one. Okay. Now these two 6s are just one after one. Okay. So means to make two 6s, the same formula we have to use. So we can write n in place of this 2. That means number of 6s. Now let's see when we have to write 3 6s together. So you can see here 5 for 1 6 and how many number of 6s? 3. And 1 stick which is common in the consecutive 6s. So it will become 15 plus 1, that is 16. So yes, our answer is correct. So that means this is our formula. Let's see one more example. What if we have to write 4 6s consecutively? 5 into n means number of 6s plus 1. This is our formula. So let's put 5 into 4. That is 4 is the number of 6s and 5 is the number of stick for 1 6. And one additional stick which is common in the consecutive 6s. So it will become 20 plus 1, that is 21. So yes, our answer is correct, is 21. So that means this is our formula for this pattern. Let's see for the other patterns. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 sticks. But when we see the same thing for 2 consecutive 4, so 1, 2, 3, this is common, and 1, 2, 3 means 3 for a particular 4, then into number of 4s, and then 1 stick is common. Okay. Now let's check when we have to write 3 consecutive 4s. That means 3 into 3. That is number of sticks for particular 4 and that is number of 4. And 1 is the additional, that is common stick in between consecutive 4. So that is 9 plus 1, that is 9 plus 1, that is equals to 10. Now let's check for the 4 consecutive 4s. So our formula is 3 into n plus 1. 3 into how many 4 we have? 4 plus 1. 3 into 4 is 12 plus 1, that is 13. Yes, so our answer, that is our formula, is correct. Now let's see for 8. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, but if we have to write 2 consecutive 8 together, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these 2 sticks are common. So what should be our formula? 5 for a particular 8 into number of 8 plus 2. 2 is the common sticks between 2 consecutive 8. Now let's check for 3 consecutive 8. So 5 into 3 plus 2, that is 15 plus 2 equals to 17. So yes, our formula is correct, right? So children, this is the way we have to formulate using algebraic expression. Now, what you have to do? You just have to understand this thing. And this question is not for notebook purpose. Now let's move on to the second question of this exercise. In this, we have given expression. And we have to find the term, its first term, its second term, its third term. That means if this is our formula, then what should be the answer for n equals to 1? What should be the value of expression if n equals to 2? What should be the expression, that is value of expression when n equals to 3? Similarly, these all are filled in. We have to find the value of these blanks. Okay, that means for the first, that is this expression, we have to find the value of this when n equals to 100. So let's see what should be our answer. From the table, the first expression is 2n minus 1 and we have to find for 100th term, that is n equals to 100. So we have to put n equals to 100 in the expression. So it will become 200 minus 1, that is 199. Okay. Similarly, for the second expression, we have to find the value for fifth term, for 10th term, and for 100th term. That is, value of n is 5, value of n is 10, and value of n is 100. So let's see how we have to do it. Expression is 3n plus 1. For fifth term, that is n equals to 5. 3 into n, that is 3 into 5 plus 2. So 15 plus 2, that is 17. For 10th term, that is n equals to 10, we have to place 10 in place of n. So we have this as our expression. So it will become 3 into 10 plus 2. So 30 plus 2, that is 32. For 100th term, that is n equals to 100. Just put 100 in place of n. This is our expression. So it will become 3 into 100 plus 2. That is 300 plus 2. That is 302. Okay. Now similarly you have to do for third term. You have to find the value for 5th, 10th and 100. For fourth term, 5th, 10th and 100. Similarly for the last term, 5th and 10th. Okay. So class, I hope you all can do this by your own. So this is your practice question for today. So you have to practice all these questions today. And in our next video, we will start our new chapter. Till then, keep practicing your home again and again. Thank you.